This extendable LETYANGER pole saw reaches from about 7 3/10 feet to roughly 27 feet, making it practical for trimming high branches without climbing. The set includes multiple interlocking poles, both a saw and a bypass-style pruner head, plus a spare blade and carry bag, so you are well equipped for different types of tree work. Its epoxy resin poles with aluminum alloy joints and manganese alloy steel blades strike a good balance between strength, durability, and manageable weight for overhead use. The integrated pulley-operated pruner and hooked saw tip make it easier to cut crossing branches cleanly and pull down stubborn twigs that would otherwise be hard to reach. The bright yellow pole color is intentionally chosen so people can easily see you are working, which helps keep bystanders from wandering into your trimming area. At the full extension, the tool can feel heavy, but using a slightly shorter length and proper body support makes it a very capable option for regular tree maintenance.